Setting up a filing system. Setting up a filing system for business documents is essential for maintaining organization and easy access to important records. If you're like me, this is a task I hate but a necessary evil. Here are some steps to help you set up an effective filing system. Determine your filing categories. Start by identifying the different types of documents you need to store. Create broad categories that make sense for your business. Common categories include financial records, contracts and legal documents, customer information including customer invoices, human resources including employee records, vendor-supplier information including vendor-supplier invoices, and correspondence. These broad categories will serve as the foundation of your filing system. Create a filing index. Develop a filing index or a list of all the categories and subcategories you have created. This index will serve as a reference guide for locating specific documents quickly. Choose a filing structure. Decide on a filing method that works best for your business. You can use alphabetical, numerical, or chronological order. You can also combine these methods, for instance, organizing financial records alphabetically by vendor name but chronologically by date within each vendor's folder. Gather necessary supplies. Purchase file folders, hanging folders, labels, and a filing cabinet or storage boxes. Make sure you have enough supplies to accommodate your current and future document storage needs. Label your folders. Use clear and descriptive labels for your folders. Include the category name and any relevant subcategories. For example, if you have a financial records category, you can create subcategories for invoices, receipts, and bank statements. Establish a file naming convention. If you store electronic documents, establish a consistent file naming convention. This convention should include relevant information such as the document type, date, and a brief description. Consistency in file naming will make it easier to search for and retrieve electronic documents. Determine retention periods. Research and understand the legal requirements for document retention in your industry. Establish retention periods for each category of documents. This will help you determine when to dispose of outdated or unnecessary records. Centralize your filing system. Set up a centralized filing system where all employees can access necessary documents without duplication. For electronic records, use shared network drives with organized folders based on your established categories. For physical documents, utilize labeled file cabinets or binders that correspond with your digital organization scheme. This centralization minimizes confusion and ensures everyone is on the same page regarding document storage. Secure sensitive information. Implement security measures for confidential or sensitive information. Proper handling of sensitive information is crucial in protecting both your business and clients' privacy. Conduct regular audits. Regularly maintain and review your filing system. Set aside time periodically to ensure compliance with retention policies regarding important documents and review and purge outdated or unnecessary documents. This will prevent your filing system from becoming cluttered and ensure that you only keep relevant records. Train employees. If you have employees who will be using the filing system, provide training on how to use it effectively. Ensure that everyone understands the filing structure, labeling system, and any specific procedures for filing and retrieving documents. Remember, the key to an effective filing system is consistency and organization. By following these steps and maintaining your filing system regularly, you can keep your business documents organized and easily accessible when needed.